What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Big Striller back once again in the house. I'm about to get out of here and go get some more drone footage for you guys, or for me, or whoever wants to look at it. I've been kind of slacking on getting the footage out lately, so I'm about to try to pick it back up. Today I will be flying the race. I flew a couple of days ago with my friend, and my Tinyhawk Freestyle went down, so it crashed and the motor wire got snagged and pulled out, so I got to repair that. So it wasn't even a hard crash, but that's just how this goes with these freestyle and manual drones. That's just how it goes. So I got an adapter put on top of my race here. Okay, the camera's tilted way back, but basically what's going to happen is I'll be able to put in my Insta360 Go in here and be able to get some HD footage for you all. So I'm going to try that out today. This one crashed too. It got stuck in a tree. The blades got kind of chewed up a little bit. Y'all probably can't see that or don't care, but so that might give some oscillation to the flight. So it might have a little jitter in it, which will go into the footage, which gives jello, which is a wavy lines through the video. But we're gonna try it out anyways, because you know, it's no time like today, and it's about to get out there. And let's see here, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it is a scorcher today in the H. I got my fishing gear on to keep the sun off of me so I don't burn up. That's why I wear these long sleeve fishing shirts or whatever. Anyway, about to get out here, get y'all the footage. I'm not gonna yap too much because I lose y'all when I do that. Stay tuned, here we go. All right, while I'm at the stoplight, I'm going to tell y'all that I'm going to try out these ND filters for my camera. I waited a long time, if y'all remember my bike fiasco. I'm gonna ride by, check some of those out. Thank you. Oh shit, I think I slapped off my ND filter just now. So I'll stop, pulled over, and now look at my brake, and look at that. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but the ND filter magnetized to my brake. Hopefully it's not scuffed. Oh damn, it's broken, it's bent. Because it went under the brake. I lost 2 of these, so yeah, I just got a fresh new set in, specifically made for the Palm. So I'm gonna try those out. Right now I'm not shooting with one on here. I'm shooting at 24 frames per second, and everything else is auto ISO, auto, what is it, white balance, and auto exposure. So I'm about to go ahead and put it, I think I'm put the ND16 on and see how it does in this inside the car, some shadows and whatnot, and see how that works out. Well, I'm losing daylight, so I ain't got time to really jack around with those filters right now. I'm gonna try to post up, get some shots, and get the hell on before the sun gets too wacky, and I can't really get the shots I want. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do. First thing first, since I'm over here in the grass, I'll get this. All right, I'm not putting much of a camera tilt on my camera since I'm doing a more cinematic, exploring type shot. I'm gonna keep it kind of low, so I can fly not so aggressively. All right, let's take it up. The RF frequency response is terrible. Okay, last time I flew, I was using the external antenna, and I forgot to change it back to my internal. That's why I couldn't get very far. At least I hope that's why I couldn't get that far. Let's try this again. I'll tell you one thing and another. The canopy came loose. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it came loose. So I got, luckily I saw it. Try to put the screw back in. Try this again, y'all. So I don't have any resolution on my transceiver, my radio feed, and I do not know why. This is baffling. I'm gonna keep trying. I went back to the internal antenna. That didn't help. I'm just really confused. Try this again, y'all. Getting frustrated. This is bullshit. I probably need to rebind this thing. I think that's gonna do it for today, y'all. This thing is just not cooperating. Whack it. What? Bitch, make up your mind. This shit right here about to drive me crazy.
Telemetry lost. RF signal critical. Telemetry recovered.
And I do not know where this thing crashed.
Telemetry lost.
That's my day. Look at that. It completely tore apart on impact. The camera was too heavy. And back to the drawing board. Boy, I tell you, that's why this shit is so frustrating. I'm done for the day, y'all. Just like that. I hope I got that one shot of the buildings. I don't think I even got that, but we'll see. The drama continues. So, get my bird and head on home, man. This is really frustrating. Such is life, FPV life. So I'm down, no external, no birds outside. No more outside drones. All the guys indoor drones, and those are on the Fritz too. So I tell you, if it ain't one thing, it's another. But anyway, that's it, y'all. I'll holler back. Strilla out.